Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start another video on German language. So today we are going to learn fruits name in German, thus obst. So before going to start, we must remember that all German fruits are feminine except apple. So we will use article the before fruit's name except apple. So let us start first one. First one is here apple. So their apple. We have used here their because it is masculine noun. So it is their apple. And the plural of apple is the apple. Means apples. So next one is here the banana. So we have used here article the because banana is feminine noun. So the plural of banana is the bananas. The orange. And the plural of the orange is the oranges. The Erdbeere, strawberry. The Erdbeere, strawberry. And the Erdbeeren, strawberries. The Traube, grape, and the Trauben, grapes. The Traube, grape, and the Trauben, grapes. The citron, lemon, and the citron, lemons. The mango, and the plural is the mangoes. The apricot, and the apricosen, apricots. The Pfirsich, peach, and the Pfirsich, peaches. The guava, and the guavan, guavas. The papaya, and the papayas. The ananas, pineapple, and the ananas, pineapples. The Birne, pear, and the Birnen, pears. The Birne, pear, and the Birnen, pears. The Wassermelone, watermelon, and the Wassermelonen, watermelons. Pomegranate, the Granatapfel, pomegranate, and the Granatapfel, pomegranates. So that is all for this video. So we'll learn something new in next video. So till then, cheers.